Spoken English practice. Let's start. ମୁଁ କିଛି କହିପାରେ? May I say something? May I say something? ଦୟାକରି ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ ହୁଅନ୍ତୁ ନାହିଁ. Please don't bother. Please don't bother. ଆପଣ ସମସ୍ତେ ଯାଇପାରିବେ. You all can go. You all can go. ମୋ ବିଷୟରେ ଚିନ୍ତା କର ନାହିଁ. Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me. ଏହା ତୁମ ପାଇଁ ବହୁତ ଦୟାଳୁ ହେବ. It would be very kind of you. It would be very kind of you. ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ କିପରି ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରିପାରେ? How can I help you? How can I help you? ଆପଣ ନିଜକୁ କାହିଁକି ଅସୁବିଧାରେ ପକାଇଲେ? Why did you trouble yourself? Why did you trouble yourself? ଏହା ଯଥେଷ୍ଟ. This is sufficient. This is sufficient. ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ ହୁଅ ନାହିଁ. Don't bother. Don't bother. ଦୟାକରି ଅଳ୍ପ ସମୟ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ. Please stay a little while. Please stay a little while. କ୍ଷମା କରିବେ ଦୟାକରି. Excuse me please. Next. ମୁଁ ଦୁଃଖିତ. I am sorry. I am sorry. କିଛି କୁହ ନାହିଁ. Don't say anything. Don't say anything. ତୁମେ ଠିକ୍ କି? You are right. You are right. ମୁଁ ତୁମର ସେବାରେ ଅଛି. I am at your service. I am at your service. ମୁଁ ସେଠାରେ ବସିପାରେ? May I sit here? May I sit here? ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସାହାଯ୍ୟ ପାଇଁ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ. Thanks for your help. Thanks for your help. Next. ଆମେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର କୃତଜ୍ଞ. We are grateful to you. We are grateful to you. ତୁମର ବୁଦ୍ଧିମାନ ପାଇଁ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ. Thank you for your sensible. Thank you for your sensible. Next. ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ କ'ଣ କରିପାରେ? ଏହାକୁ ଇଂଲିଶରେ କହିବ What can I do for you? What can I do for you? ତୁମର କାମ କର. Do your work. Do your work. ସତ କୁହ. ମିଛ କୁହ ନାହିଁ. Speak the truth. Don't lie. Next. ଏଠାରେ ପାର୍କିଂ ଅନୁମତି ନାହିଁ. Parking is not allowed here. Parking is not allowed here. ବାମକୁ ରଖନ୍ତୁ. Keep to the left. Keep to the left. ମୋତେ ସକାଳୁ ଉଠାଅ. Wake me up early in the morning. Wake me up early in the morning. ତୁମର ପଥ ସଂଶୋଧନ କର. Mend your ways. Mend your ways. ତାଙ୍କୁ ସହର ପରିକ୍ରମା କର. Take him round the city. Take him round the city. ଅତିଥିଙ୍କୁ ଆଣ. Bring the guest in. Bring the guest in. ଆସନ୍ତାକାଲି ମୋତେ ଏହା ବିଷୟରେ ମନେ ପକେଇବ. Remind me about it tomorrow. Remind me about it tomorrow. ସବୁ କିଛି ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ ରଖ. Keep everything ready. Keep everything ready. हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आपण मानकु मो आजिर वीडियोटी जदि भल लगिला प्लीज वीडियोटी को लाइक शेयर कमेंट्स एंड चैनल टी को सब्सक्राइब करंतु. थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग. जय जगन्नाथ.